we learn? We learn how to poster. Let me go to the screen at first. We learn how we can create a poster, how we can edit a video, how we can create teaching content, as well as how we can create a whole website. Right? Now, what is my concern right now? The best part of Adobe Space is its AI. Right? Without AI, Adobe Space won't work. So what is the best part about this AI? It has a whole collection of the tools. So when you scroll down, like these categories can give social media, video, photo, document, web page, marketing. There's a whole category for the generative AI. If you click on that, it's saying create great content with generative AI. Right? Confirm if you are able to see the same screen with me. Alright. So if it's there in your Adobe exercise, then you'll be able to notice that there are multiple subcategories right here, right? AI is not only for image generation, is not only for video generation. It has multiple purposes, right? Multiple way you can use it. See, all these examples are given here. Let me show you one by one. See, here's an example. It's saying the user, he gave a prompt, random green papers falling with hot pink gradient background, and the AI gave a similar output. Now, if we click on here, get a new prompt, we'll be able to see another prompt right here. Okay, so you see these prompts are already used in the AI. Now let's see if we want to use a prompt in our AI to generate an image. So what do? We just go and click on generate image option. When I click on generate image option, this particular window appears right before your eyes. Even for the people who don't have license, they will be able to create or generate images inside Adobe Express. So finally, I'll just search right here. See, long strawberries falling, juicy and water sprinkles isolated on a blue background. So this is the example of a prompt that I'm using. For you, it might be some other topic. It might be something relatable to your study or something that you teach to your students in daily classroom. Okay. Now if I click on generate, let's see what it generates. It takes a little bit time to generate. See, whatever I have given, it has been generated. Now if I expand this, I'll be able to see what my prompt is. Some days ago, I attended a session where the speaker was saying that nowadays the coding language is not C++, Python or anything. The coding language for new type of content generation is English. If you know English well, if you are able to write prompts, you will be able to create things using the AI. So this is the generated output. Okay. Now the best thing about this AI is whenever you generate something, it's not only there. You can either download it, you can either choose to download it, or you can click on open in editor option. Click on open in editor. It's right here in the editing option, right? Now suppose you don't like the background or you want to remove one or two strawberries from here. So how do you do that? Select this image, go to remove object, and when you click on that, this particular brush will appear right here. Are you able to see with my cursor? Suppose I don't like this strawberry, I want to remove that. So I just click and paint over it. See, I'm painting over it. Just a second. My mouse is actually loading up. Okay, so now that I've selected this particular strawberry from here, I'll just set remove. Let's see if we can remove the strawberry from there. Okay, it didn't remove the strawberry itself, but it actually generated some other style of strawberry. Okay, let's see what else we can do. If you are not satisfied with this generated outputs, you can definitely click on generate more. It will give you more variations. Just a second. This time, let me see what else I can do from here, because it will remove it. We can do that. Suppose this water molecule right here, I want to remove it. Let's see if we can remove this water molecule. It has been selected properly. Now click on remove. Yes, it actually removes the water molecules from there. Okay, so this is how the removal works. If your selection is perfect and you are able to select the whole object, then it will give you a perfect result. Now as I said, now suppose I want a can. I want to select a can in between this strawberries. Now just close this remove tab. Insert object option is there. Once again, let me show you how I insert object. Right here in this image editing option, you will be able to find insert object option. Click on that. Now, we have to decide from which place to which place we want to walk. Now, I just increase the size of this particular brush. Brush it right here. Let's see if we can insert a cat. Let's see if it can generate this particular prompt. You can experiment. You can definitely go ahead and experiment with your prompts and everything else. Let's see if the AI is able to recognize or understand my prompt, so that it gives us a. Okay, it did not actually create it properly, but it gave me an effect like this. Okay, right? Amazing, right? So it can understand using your prompt. Now time depends on the prompt and more the in-depth prompting. So AI gives you more detailed and precise output. Let's see, clicking on generate more. Now, if I want to make it a graphics, what do? I just click on this text option, add new text, and say adjust the color of the text and make it bold, and eventually I'll just increase the size of this particular text. Okay, now suppose I want this particular text to wrap around this can. Okay, this can is round, right? So how do we make it round? Or as this? By selecting this particular text box, we come to the text editing options right here on my right hand side. We have text layout option right here, and click on the parameters option, and we'll be able to see the circle parameter. Click on the circle parameter and adjust the position of this particular text. Okay, so kindly repeat this part, sir. This particular part, right? Yes, sir, this circular format. Okay, select the text. Okay, once you select the text, this particular dialog box will appear right before you. Okay. And after that, click on the text layouts by scrolling down and text editing. Got it? Okay. Click on here and then adjust the position of the text. Okay. Now what you can do, the best thing you can do, you can add a text effect right here with the AI. I'll just go to effects, click on text effects or generate text effects. I'll say I want to write the prompt right here. Okay, just a second. Let's see if the prompt is working right here. Okay. Let's see if it can generate the effect right here. See, it gave me a strawberry like effect right here. Which looks nice. Right. So, are you able to follow up with me till now? Another thing that I wanted to share with all of you, which is translation. Nowadays, translation is future, right? If you are able to translate anything, you have the future. Just double click on this text. Double click on this text. Just a second. Let the text go. Okay. Text has been selected. Click outside of this workspace, this particular dialog box will open. Okay, it's like edit page. Now inside edit page you have this translate option. Click on this translate option and it's asking me in which language I want to translate. Suppose I want to translate in Bengali or Bangla, because because we all are Bengali, right? Now, tone of the voice is asking. I'll say informal because we already speak informal. Now I'll just click translate. Let's see if it can translate the content inside our workspace. See, it has translated the whole file along with the text effect. If I turn off the text effect right here, are you able to see? It has translated. Do you need me to repeat once again? To translate this part, how do you translate the text or anything inside the workspace? Just click outside the workspace, you'll be able to see translate option is right here. Okay, click on translate, it will ask you to translate to the option. Okay, from English, in which language you want to translate? Yes, good. This is what I'm doing. Select, it's for you. How you can translate? You just have to unselect everything. Just click outside of the workspace. This is the workspace. Don't click here over here. Click right here outside of the workspace. When you click outside of the workspace, you will be able to find this particular translate option. Are you able to follow up with me? Yes, sir. Just click on the translate option. It will ask you from English in which language you want to translate. Just like it's asking translate to. I'll just click on the drop down. Suppose I want to translate this in Japanese or any other language. I'm just using Japanese for sake of this video. Now click on translate. Let's see if it can translate this English word to Japanese. Okay. It has converted our English language to Japanese katakana. Right? You are able to see. Now suppose I want to translate this Japanese into Bengali. Let's see if we can translate this Japanese into Bengali. Click on translate. Okay, so these are three variations of our voice, right? One is English, one is Japanese, one is Bengali. Are you able to follow up, guys? Yes, sir. Okay. Create a translation for me. Okay. So this was Japanese, this was English, this was informal Bengali, this was formal Bengali. We know how we can translate our stuff, right?
There is no space where I can write the.
Click on the correct image, this particular window appears, right? And after that, what do? We have the prompt window right here below. Just like I'm giving my prompt. Let's see how this prompt gives us output. See how it's looking. Okay, so till now, what we learned? We learned how to give prompts and generate images. Now, sir was saying that how we can edit that in editor. For that, what you can do, either you download it from here and then go and drag and drop import. Otherwise, what you can do is for the smart keyboard, we have the smart option called Open in Editor. Click on Open in Editor, and this will be opened in your editor. Okay, sir. Edit this or remove some things out of it, or you can click on Generate Similar. Let's see how it generates a similar image. See, it has generated me the similar image. The lighting, the background is little bit similar from these two images. You have all these variations that you can definitely check them out. I want to ask everyone that for those who have not received any license and you are using the free account, you are able to generate the images, right? Yes. Okay, this was the generative image option, right? Right after that, what we have? Generative presentation, which is a must for education, right? You sometimes you have to work hours and hours to create a presentation, right? But now, using this AI, you will be able to create the presentation quickly. Okay, just this asking me for relevant files. Let me click here and add relevant files right here. Suppose just a second, let me see if I have any file right here. If your files are there, like PDF files, images of your institute, the PPT, whatever the content you want to put in your PPT, just go and gather them all, drag and drop inside this folder, and then it will start creating your PPT. Okay, let's see what else we have right here. Clicking on the generative AI option. Generate template. This is also a very helpful thing. Suppose you want to work on a graphic template, but you are not able to find or it's not meeting your requirements. Then only you can search here. Suppose you need a poster on Wednesday. And whatever you generate right here, one spelling. Whatever you're creating right here is copyright protected. So don't need to worry that whether your template already has been used or not. So whatever you create or generate, it will be very unique to your institute. Let's see what type of template it generates. Okay, something wrong. get better from. Let's see how we can rotate the image. It's saying mixing art and science, generating images. Let's see how long it takes. Okay, see, I wrote that a poster for a World Health Day celebration. Now the AI has generated these type of templates which are actually editable. Okay, which are editable and you will be able to edit them. These are not only image generated. AI did not only generate images, you will also be able to edit this whole image. Suppose I am choosing this particular one and let's wait. See, now you'll be able to click on here, double click on here and change and make changes inside of it. You'll be able to edit it. You will be able to change the colors of this particular element. Suppose I need red color in here, how it looks. Okay, so I'm able to do anything. I'm able to get the editability of a template. Not because it's generated with AI, but because it's generated in Adobe Express, right? So everyone, please try working on something like that. I need all of you to work on something. Use your creative prompts and generate a template. Add the logo. Other it works 90% for you, and you just have to put 10% effort. Please work on it. Working on this particular, let me show you the drawing tool. Okay. So drawing tool is one of the most helpful tool inside Adobe Express. Let me search for a drawing tool. Let's see if it's still available. Wait, let me see if it's still available. This part. Let me still search for you. Okay, I think the drawing tool has been removed from here. Okay, but don't worry, we have multiple different features right here waiting for you to understand. Okay, now let's understand what is brands. We know home button, we know your start button, we know templates, we know scheduling, we know that. But we never explored the brands button. Okay, so let me give you a simple example. Okay, some days ago I went to Oil India for Adobe training. Oil India in Assam. So notice one thing, Oil India has three colors which they use in all of their designs. All of their designs. They are very consistent with their logo and the color combination they use. So for brands, if you want to make brands like if your institute has a brand, like they use specific color combinations like blue and white for West Bengal government itself, as well as the single logo that West Bengal government use. So it all can be sorted right here in the create brand option. See, now if I name it after, that will be vocational. click on create, it will give you this particular, it will take you to this particular window. Okay, now if you notice, it's giving us the title right here, and inside of it we are able to see multiple categories, right? Overview, logos, colors, fonts, graphics. So one by one, what you can do, you can add the logo. From upload logo, you can definitely use the logo. Suppose I'm using this particular logo. I'm going to use this logo in throughout the whole year until unless we change our brand color. And then colors. We can definitely choose colors from here, which we'll use throughout the year for our brand. See, they are asking to add a color palette. Suppose our color palette is blue and white, sky and white, which is the official color of the brand. Okay, just a second, guys. I'll go right. Okay, now I have added that. Now click on add fonts. We can pre-add fonts from here. Suppose we want to use some specific type of font. I'll just use this one in Shiliguri bold. And the graphics template, you don't need to choose from graphics template. You just need logos, colors and fonts so that it will appear in every design, whatever you make inside Adobe software. This particular option brand will appear right before you. Then if you want to import the logo from there or choose the font which you have chosen earlier, you can definitely do so. Okay, are you able to find this option brands?
Yes.
Please take a look. Create or for the institute you are working on, generate an image using the AI and then edit it, add or remove things from it, as well as how you can use brands and some other features as well.